Different organizations within the country and One Family People staff were in attendance for the partnership agreement, as the mission for One Family People is to build resilience for persons with disabilities and break barriers through capacity building, advocate partnership development and leveraging resources. Samuel P.O.V. Macaulay, Programs Manager, One Family People Sierra Leone, read out the press statement in accordance to the partnership.
1,500,000 loans. New loans when in the old loans will be 2,500,000,000 old loans to partner organizations for 2023 programmatic year. We are gathered here today in fulfillment of one of our core responsibilities as the strategic partner organization of Liliana Funds in Sierra Leone to sign, renew, contract and agreements with partner organizations within our network, as well as to demonstrate transparency and accountability by informing the general public about our 2023 child empowerment annual budget allocation of 2,500,000,000 loans to the partner organization to be divided amongst our 6 partner organizations in the country. This funding allocation to these organizations will enable them to support the development of children and youngsters with disabilities in the areas of health, education, livelihood, and social inclusion, using the inclusive development strategy to make their environment accessible. OFP, as a strategic partner organization of the Liliana Foundation in Sierra Leone, is mandated to develop and implement policies, strategies, and programs that fit the country context and are consistent with the LF global policy and strategic framework. We are also responsible for coordinating a network of partner organizations that are empowering children and youngsters with disabilities below 25 years of age who belong to resource-poor families to participate in society and ensure their inclusion in the community. It is against this backdrop that One Family People is renewing partnership agreements and contracts with the following organizations: Dorothy Springer Trust, Church Services, Disability Awareness Action Group, Welfare Society for the Disabled, and Sierra Leone Autistic Society. Additionally, we are welcoming what we now define as a special PO into the PO network, Mahanaim Orphanage Home. We will be working with Mahanaim Orphanage Home in the area of capacity building and direct support to the children and youngsters with disabilities in the home. It must be noted that every year POs are required to design their annual plans, applying the community-based inclusive development strategy, formerly known as community-based rehabilitation, where applicable, with a strong lobby and advocacy approach, and submit to One Family People. Equally, One Family People is required to assess and advise on PO's annual plans to be submitted to LF for financing, register these plans as projects in the LF database in rapid pluriform, monitor progress and assess reports in accordance with the schedule agreed upon.
Sakotekwi, Executive Secretary, National Commissions for Persons with Disability, start by thanking One Family People Sierra Leone for the great initiative, especially for children with disability.
And on behalf of government and the people with disability, first I want to appreciate and extend with gratitude to LF and then the strategic partner organization One Family People for this great initiative, especially between them with their disability. I think we all get a commitment and a passion for make sure we change the life of people.
Signing of partnership as such is another improvement in the lives of people living with disability within any country. Reporting for FTN Stop News, Abubakar Siddiqui Kama is my name.